Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Mostly Python. Today we're going to be learning something cool. We are going to be learning how to print emojis with Python. That's right, with Python you could just do regular emojis like the type you use on your phone. You could also use those in Python. So to get started, there's two modules you're going to have to install. You can install them with pip, which is a Python method of installing modules. If you don't know how to use pip, I'll leave a link to video in the description from Tech with Tim about how to use pip. But to run it, you just basically do, I'm going to do hashtag Python pip install emoji. That's the first command you're going to have to run. You're also going to have to run Python pip install emojis. Those are the two modules you want to install. Okay, so now let's get started with the tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is just how to print a plain emoji by itself. Just print an emoji on the screen. So for that, we're going to use the emoji module. So we're going to say from emoji import emojis. Then we're going to say print emojis, and then in brackets we're going to put the name of emoji you want to use. So I'm also going to leave this link in the description. There is a list online of all the different emojis. So each emoji has a name. There's like this one, which is like thumbs up, and each one, like each different type of emoji, every face, every figure, every type of thing has a name like this. So that is a name that you can use in Python to display that emoji. So for this, we could use the emojis part of the emoji module to put, we say print emojis thumbs up, and then Python's regular print function prints emojis of thumbs up, which is a thumbs up emoji. So we just run that. There you go. There you have it. Thumbs up. Now, there's a second cooler thing you can do. We could say import emojis. This is the second module that we installed. So I'm going to say emojified, which you could call this anything you want. It's just the variable name you're assigning to it. So equals emojis dot encode, and then I don't know, let's make up a sentence. We'll say it is what are the codes? Sunny and clouds. So we're going to say it is sunny outside with a few, and we're going to say clouds. Now let's run that. Oh, forgot to. Have to put at the end. We're going to say print emojified. Okay, now let's run that. There you have, see, it is sunny outside with a few clouds. And that's just another cool thing you can do with Python. It's just another reason why it's the best language in the world. So now quickly, just to go over what these two pieces of code are doing. So over here first, this is called a comment. On Python, if you write a hashtag at the beginning of the line or a hash at the beginning of the line, then write any words on that line, Python does not run that as code. It's just a little comment that you could put. So over here, I'm just putting on top the two comments with the names of the module you have to install. Now we're saying from the emoji module, import emojis. And to go through the whole from this import that, it's really object-oriented programming, classes, functions, vihole, all that stuff, all the good stuff. So I'm not going to go over it now. But basically, so we're importing the emojis function from the emoji module. And now we're saying print, which is Python's native printing function, which just lets you print something. Like you could just write print text and it'll print that text. We're saying print emojis thumbs up. So we're basically calling the emojis function, which we imported, and we're giving it the name of the emoji that we want to do, which is called thumbs up, and we're printing that on the screen, which we get that thumbs up. Now over here with the emojis module, we're creating, then this is real object-oriented programming, we're creating a item. So we are giving that name, we're giving the item the name emojified, the variable, we're assigning it to the variable emojified. Now we're saying emojified equals emojis, which is a module, dot encode, we're using the encode function from emojis. It is sunny outside with a few clouds. So what it does is the encode function takes this argument and it runs through it, and it saves to the emojified variable the text with the emoji inside, and then it prints it to the screen. So now, see that when you run it, over here what we're doing is we're printing the emojization of thumbs up, which is giving this argument to the emojize function and printing on the screen. And then what we're doing over here is we're creating an object called emojified, which is the result of giving the encode function the text with the names of the variables that we want to have inside of it, and then that gives us it is sunny outside with a few clouds. Anyway, guys, it was a little bit jarbled, but that is this week's tutorial. I will leave the link to the list of all the emoji codes, like with the colon stuff, in the description. And I hope you guys have a great weekend, have a great Shabbos, and we will be B'kesh.